This audio is brought to you by the parenting app.
Homeschooling your child. You can homeschool your child via different approaches. To start with, there can be different approaches one may take. The way or approach majorly depends on the requirement and suitability of the parent, and hence the planning may be done. First approach: taking the child out of a regular school and start educating them at home without any affiliation with a school or board. This way, the children may learn in an independent manner and won't have to follow a particular curriculum. The homeschooler family gets to explore all the resources, methods, and content nationally and internationally. Later, with the progress, the family may choose a board which is suitable for their child or children to appear for their 10th examination, and accordingly, they may be introduced to the curriculum. This kind of setup suits the children who are in elementary or middle school years. For children who are close to the 10th grade and have to sit for their board exam as well, one might want to look at other approach since there is less time in hand. Second approach: some schools allow parents to enroll their children as a private student. In this approach, parents can choose to teach their children at home, but have to follow the curriculum and examination process of the school. In this approach, parents have to personally approach the schools that have affiliation with the board they prefer, such as IB board, SSC, etc. In this case, the homeschooler family will have to follow the standardized curriculum adopted by the school they have enrolled into. Apart from the approaches, one may start with the following pointers. First, understand the legalities involved. Second, locate homeschoolers nearby in your city. Third, explore homeschooling methods or approaches. Fourth, design a plan suitable for your child. Fifth, attend book fairs, conferences, and events. Sixth, spot your support network. For more insights, download the parenting app. Thank you.